I'm about to share with you guys how I'm able to sell luxury products through eBay, Amazon, and Etsy that I don't even own. And all I'm using is one single page and ChatGPT and just my brain. I'm gonna show you guys so you guys can learn the secret and you can start making money, whether it's from the product that you don't own or affiliate commissions, in less than 24 hours. Let me show you how I did it. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on watchcount.com. And what this website is, it shows you the products on eBay that people have on their wish list that they wish to purchase. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in men's watch. Now, as you can see, I see all of these different kind of watches right here I can potentially sell. Okay, now mind you, I don't own any of these watches, but I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Now, there's one watch I'm particularly interested in, okay, and it's this men's skeleton watch right here. Now, if you click on this, it will take you to a page just like this that is actually on eBay. Now, as you guys can see, this sold 470 times. All right, and this is being watched by 4,560 watchers. And you can see if you type in any product on watch count, it'll show you how many watches is watching it. And as you can see, that's a lot of people that's, actually looking at this product right here. All right, and it sold 470 times. And so what we're going to do here is we are going to sell this watch, but we don't even own it. How are we going to do that? I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I'm going to sell this watch. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go on SWAPFUNNELS.com, and on here there are already pre-built pages that allow you to do things that I'm about to show you right now. Okay, now as you can see here on this page, everything is already filled in. All you have to do is swap out the images and the text and you're ready to go. So let me do this step by step, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to transform this empty page into a sales page of a product that I don't even own, but I'm ready to sell. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a video that's showing off the watch. I'm going to delete that overlay right there, and as you guys can see, that's the watch right there. I'm going to make it smaller, and that's the watch, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here at the top, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change the name. Now that I have the video on the watch on the website, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some images in here. As you can see, we have all of these beautiful images here, and all I did was save it and put it on SWAPFUNNEL. Now that the images is done, what I need to do next is create a description. And so I see that eBay has a description right here on their site right here, but this is horrible. This is just telling you about the watch. I can put this on the website if I wanted to, but what I really want to do is talk to the customer and tell them how beautiful the watch is and how they're going to love it when they receive it. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me that description that I'm looking for. So what I've done here is I went ahead and just typed in the title to ChatGPT, and it found the watch and it knows exactly what it is, and it gave me a beautiful description of it right here. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and I can copy this, and I can go back to SWAPFUNNELS and I can place the description right in here. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to grab this and place it here. Look how beautiful that came out. Now I want to add some benefits underneath. Okay, so I'll go back to ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT to give me some benefits of this watch. It's creating the benefits right now. All I want to do is take about 3 or 4 of these benefits and put on my website. Look how beautiful these benefits are right here. They are absolutely amazing. ChatGPT did a great job, and with the description as well. Look how beautiful that is. The page is starting to look great. Now here's what I need to do. I need to get a title description for this, okay, to make the person really want this watch, all right, with some feeling to it. Give me a title for this watch. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go over here, I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to change the color. Now how does this look already? Doesn't this look beautiful? So we almost are there. We can go ahead, we can slap our logo in there as well. We got our logo at the top. Everything is looking beautiful on the way down. Now we can come in here and we can actually put the watch up for sale. Now this is the cool part, as I'm about to explain to you guys. Watch this. So inside the checkout, I went ahead and I added the watch inside of here for sale. Now you guys don't have to have a checkout to sell the watch if you don't want to. If you want to give them an upsell with the order bump right here, if they wanted something else on top of that. But if you guys want to be completely hands off, right, like you just want passive income coming in and be an affiliate for this type of thing, you can go ahead and you can just delete this checkout part, and you can just use buy on Etsy, buy on eBay, or buy on Amazon. You can just be the guy that talks about the watch, get the people hyped up, and just send them over there and let Amazon, eBay, and Etsy take care of them. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to go over here, and if you guys want to have these people say, well, why should I buy from you instead of buying from Amazon or buying from eBay, you can go ahead and give them something to incentivize them to go ahead and do business with you, right? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put an image here and watch this. Now I added an image in here, and look at how this turned out. If you go ahead and buy this watch with us right now, we will give you this link remover for free. Now obviously this doesn't come with any links, right? But you can just get creative with, if you are selling different kind of watches, maybe for a higher price, you can give them something else might need with that watch. And the next thing I can think of is a link remover, right? Now again, this can be something like another strap, another leather strap to a watch, or whatever the case may be, but just so they can go ahead and if you buy it right now, you can get this link remover for free. Does that sound fair? Right? And then for the most part, they'll probably go ahead and take up the offer, right? Because eBay and Amazon is not giving a link remover free for the most part, not with this watch anyway. So let's go ahead, and right here, as you can see, they have the bonus. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change this time. Now they have 1 day, 9 hours and 25 minutes to make up your mind to get this watch and get this link remover free. Here's all the information about the watch, and I think this page is looking pretty good for the most part. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna publish this page, and let's see how it turns out. So what do you guys think? Look at how this actually came out. We went ahead and we transformed a complete empty page into this, a product we can actually sell and make money without even owning the product. Now, as you can see, we have the watch here. We can press play, and look at how beautiful that's turning out. That's the actual watch, right? And that's, of course, video is super important when people want to make a purchase. They need to see what it looks like on video. Look how beautiful that is. Right here, we have a special 10% off. They can go ahead, add their name and all their information. We have the skeleton watch right here, $139. We have images right here that we can actually click through and see pictures of the watch. Look how beautiful that is, guys. They can go ahead and choose Etsy, choose eBay, choose Amazon to buy this from. We have the title for our watch. We have the description from ChatGPT. We have the benefits of the watch. If you guys go ahead and pause the video and just read that, it looks absolutely beautiful. And we have the bonus. If you order this right now through us, you can get this link for free. Now, the reason we want these people to go ahead and click any of these links right here, as I didn't show you guys, but I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys right now, is we want to be able to get an Amazon affiliate sale. We want to be able to get an Etsy affiliate sale, an eBay affiliate sale. So what we would do is we would go ahead and go to eBay or Etsy, and as you can see, this guy right here has it. But before you do this, make sure that you have an affiliate link, okay? You just don't want to go through the top right here like I'm doing and grabbing a link and putting it in there. You're not going to get any commissions from doing this, okay? You want to be able to make sure you're an affiliate and use your affiliate link. All right, so but for example, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna type this here. I'm gonna grab this link right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go to Etsy, and I'm going to put this link, as you can see right here, link in there. And the same thing with eBay. Again, make sure you guys signed up to be an affiliate first. You don't want to just grab the top link like I'm doing now. You're not going to get any money from it, okay? So go ahead, I'm gonna go on eBay and I'm gonna put this here. And for the same thing for Amazon affiliate link. Now, again, if you guys don't want to use the checkout, you can always delete the checkout and it'll look just like that. Special 10% off deal. Now, the reason there's no price here is because we don't want people to look at the price and say, oh, I can't afford that. Whatever's in their mind, right? We don't want them to think. We want them to be curious. We want them to say 10% off. Well, how much is this beautiful looking watch? Wow, I don't even know how much it is. Click the link and find out how much the 10% off is, right? That's when they will go ahead and they will click through and buy, right? And this is our completed page without the checkout, okay? As you can see, men's silver skeleton watch, manual skeleton watch, absolutely beautiful. Special 10% off. Well, how much is 10% off? I don't know. Go ahead and click the link. They'll go ahead, buy on Etsy, just like this. Boom, they're taken right to the Etsy page. Look how simple that is. Look how simple that is, just to get an affiliate commission based off something you don't even own. How crazy is that? With just absolutely nothing but a page and ChatGPT and just your brain, you can make money online. It's insane, right? Now, if you guys are looking for this actual page that you can just swap out and just have a product that you don't even own, I'll leave the link inside the description. It's called SWAPFUNNELS, and this is called a product page funnel. So you guys can go ahead and swap out the text, the images, and create whatever kind of page for whatever kind of product. Send them through your affiliate link to wherever and go ahead and get your affiliate dollar commission. And guys, look how fast I was able to do this, right? With this page, I was able to create a product I don't even own in just minutes, right? Right here, you guys watching me do it in just minutes is absolutely crazy. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the checkout back. So we have the checkout here. Now I wanna show you guys something super cool on top of this, all right? This goes if you wanna be able to sell the product yourself. This is how you can get an extra $1 on top or $2. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna go to something right here called the order bump. And as you can see, it says check this box to also get this awesome thing for 17 bucks. Now that's just an example sentence right there. But if you check this box to also get 3 extra leather strap, 3 extra leather strap in blue, pink, nah, this is for a man, can't wear pink, orange, right? Look good with orange, and brown. Now check that out, guys. Check this box to also get 3 extra leather straps in blue, orange, and brown for only 17 bucks. How crazy is that? We don't own this product, but yet we upselling them on getting more leather straps, right? That's insane, right? And this is all done through this one entire page right here. So we go ahead and we press save, and let's check out our absolutely finished complete product that we have nothing to do with, right? But we all want to be an affiliate for it. We want to sell, and we just use one single page and ChatGPT. Let's check it out. Now look how crazy this is. We got the logo, we got the title, we got the video, we got the checkout with the 10% off deal. We got the images on top of that. Look how crazy this is, guys. All right. And then we have all of our affiliate links in case they don't want to check out with us, or in case we just want to completely remove the checkout. That's totally fine. We're still getting paid over here. And we have, if you buy it now, you get this link remover free. We got some description right here, which was way better than eBay's description or Etsy's description, right? Or Amazon's description, because it came from ChatGPT. And we also have some benefits right here. And they have the ending time limit of, if you buy it right now, you can get this link remover, but you only have until 1 day and 9 hours to do this in order for you to get this thing for free, right? So now that we have our website here, you might be wondering, well, how do I get people actually to my website so they can go ahead and buy it, right? So let me show you guys what to do. So what I went ahead and did was go to Pinterest. And as you can see on Pinterest, I went ahead and simply created a pin, and I added this picture. I added the title, these tags, luxury watch, as you guys can see right here, men's watch. And here's the cool part, right? We can go ahead and we can put a description right here. Let's just copy this very top part right here. And right here, this is the best part. We go ahead and we put our link in, okay? So we can copy that, put our link in, and boom, we can now press publish. Now you're probably thinking right now, well, Trev, I did everything you said. I followed you step by step. I created my one-page product, right? But how do I make money from this? Well, I'm gonna tell you exactly how, right? Once we post our product on Pinterest, okay, as I showed you, and we go ahead and publish that, there's going to be visitors that are going to be coming to your website, okay? Now, when they get to your website, they're going to make a decision where they wanna buy on Etsy, on eBay, on Amazon, or if they wanna buy from you, right? Now, they really wanna buy from you because, you know, they get this link removal for free. They can also get 3 extra leather straps, right, for 17 bucks, which is why we have this checkout, right? So now if we have the customer or the visitor buy from Etsy, Amazon, and eBay, we don't have to do any more work, okay? All we're gonna do is put our affiliate links in there like I showed you. When they buy, we receive a commission, no problem. Our hands is clean, right? But if we wanna do the checkout area where we get more money from the order bump right here, all right, we want to be able to capture this customer's name, email, address, okay? So in order to do that, once they buy from us, all their shipping information so we can ship them the product. Now, the next step to that, when we receive that funds, what we're going to be doing is going to eBay, going to the product itself, right? Or Etsy or Amazon, wherever you find the product. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add it to the cart. And once we get inside of the cart, what we're going to do is we're going to fill out the first name, last name, information, and address of the customer that bought from us. All right, and we're going to put that in here. And this information is going to tell the seller who to ship the item to. All right, so we never had this product, but we have access to the product. So once we put our customer's name, email address, phone number, everything inside of here, the seller of this item is going to ship the product to the customer. All we have to do is go to the seller and say these words. Please provide the tracking information, the tracking numbers. Not every single seller gives you tracking information, and we need that in order to give it to our customer to let them know that we shipped his item and it's on its way to him. Or they can go ahead and buy it on Etsy, buy it on eBay, or buy it on Amazon, and you receive affiliate commissions. Either way, you win. So if this video was helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are interested in getting this single page website to sell products you don't even own, click the link inside of the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.